Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss physical science question paper with answer. This is an updated question paper. In physical science question paper we have three sections. In section 1 we have three questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total weightage is 6 marks. Let's see what questions appeared in section 1. Write any two uses of each convex and concave. So concave mirror is used by dentists, solar furnace, reflector of a torch, etc. Whereas convex mirror is used in rear view mirrors. Convex mirror is also utilized in ATMs and other places for security reasons. It is also used as a reflector for street lights. Second question, what happens if rusting of metals does not prevent? If we do not prevent rusting of metals, then it will destroy the metal over the time and can become a safety hazard to human health and environment. If we do not prevent corrosion of metals, then it may harm to environment and also human health. List out the materials required to verify Ohm's law. So we require a resistor of about 5 ohms, an ammeter 0 to 3 amperes, a voltmeter 0 to 10 volts, 4 dry cells of each 1.5 volt and a cell holder, a plug key, connecting wire and a piece of sandpaper. These are all the materials required to verify the Ohm's law. Now we will move on to the section 2. In section 2 we have 3 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Total weightage is 12. And first question of section 2 is answer the following question by using the above data. So first question, how does the capacity of losing electron change in the second period from left to right? So answer is on moving from left to right in a period, the tendency of atom to lose electrons is decreases. The answer is decreases. How does atomic size change in the second period? So across the period from left to right, there is a decrease in atomic size with increase in nuclear charge of the element. Mention the valency shell of the elements from lithium to fluorine. On Mention the position of elements N in the periodic table. So nitrogen is located in the group 15 of the periodic table. Moving to the fifth question in section 2, mention the difference between alkanes and alkenes. So alkanes, they are saturated hydrocarbons, they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. These compounds contain only single bond, whereas alkenes contains double bonds. The general chemical formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. The general chemical formula of alkenes is CnH2n. The bond length is longer than the alkenes, whereas bond length is short compared to alkanes. A doctor suggested to use plus 2D power lens to correct power side effect. Then find the focal length of the lens and mention type of lens suggested. So focal length is positive, which is for convex lens, and convex lens is used for correction of hypermetropia. So the person is suffering from hypermetropia. Moving on to the section 3. In section 3 we have choice. They will give 3 questions. We have to attempt only 2 questions from this section. So 2 questions should be attempted. Each question carries 6 marks. Total weightage is 12 marks. Let's see what answer or what question is appeared for long answer. Mention the product, write balanced chemical equation when 112 grams of propane is combusted. Calculate the mass of the carbon dioxide level in this reaction. Let's see the answer, students. So mass of the carbon dioxide is 336 grams. This is how we got it. List out the materials required in the experiment of hydrogen gas is evolved when the metals react with acids or bases. Mention the precautions to be taken and experimental procedure. So this is the answer, students. Go through the answer.